This should be a 500 gig Kioxia SSD. And yeah, this is also in the same situation on that website, where one or two offers are suspiciously lower by like 20%, and the rest are really high. So yeah, this was 185 RON, which is divided by 5 maybe, and that's 30 something dollars and 20 something pounds, euros, whatever. Let's just see if it's fake. So yeah, that's my suspicion. Even before I opened the package, I felt that it's probably not okay, but let's see. Here is the paper, and in the paper we have a bulk SSD. It's nothing says Kioxia on it. Oh, here. That's it. Kioxia Corporation. And all the stupid things on it. Well, this looks like it. I have to say, this looks like Kioxia. But I'm still skeptical, because it's not sealed. They just put it here and it's second-hand or what? On the website it didn't say used or something, just that 2-year warranty. 512 gig. Oh yeah. Hardware 01. This chip is Kioxia. And that gives me some hope. But yeah, for now, this is an unboxing. I'll try it a bit later. And I'll write it in. It doesn't work. It's not worth making another video. I'll just put it in the description, what I found. Yeah, I'm not very optimistic this time around, because the pictures I saw online are not like this. So this may be an older model drive. Maybe not counterfeit, but an older model and probably used. So yeah, they don't sell used parts on that website. Almost at all. At all. No used parts. Just open box or resealed or whatever they call it. But they are new. And this is not resealed. This is just put in a bag. And let me just see what they say here. SSD Kioxia, 2-year warranty, serial number. It has a serial number. Z2GC. Where did they see that? Z2. Oh, hey, here. Z2GC 94FW EMOC. Okay. So. Yeah. And this is the company. Probits.ro. Yeah. It's a Romanian company. So. Yeah, hopefully it works, but yeah, I don't know what I will do, because if the smart data says that it's already very, very used, then I don't know. I'll probably send it back, but if it works and it's not too used, why not? Just keep it. It's a good price, I think. So yeah, check the description about my experience with this drive. Maybe another video.